In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy gochujang chicken. Now you want to get started by getting some lump charcoal or briquettes going. So what I'm going to do is get 2 firelighters down, light them up, and then I'm going to get a charcoal chimney worth of briquettes, which is about 3/4 full on. Now while our briquettes are catching light, we're going to season our chicken. I'm going to be using some wingettes and drumettes, but if you wanted to use full wings, chicken drumsticks or chicken thighs, they would be perfect too. And to complement the flavors of our gochujang sauce we'll be making later on, I'm going to be seasoning our chicken wings in our honey soy slammer. Now we're going to be using the drum smoker for this cook, and now our briquettes are almost ready. I'm going to open our lid, take our cooking grate off, then we'll take our heat deflector out and I'll dump our briquettes in. Then we'll spread our briquettes out nice and even, shut our lid, open up both of our vents, and we'll bring our barbecue up to around 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And now we're up to temperature. I'm going to open our lid and I'm going to get a nice little chunk of nectarine straight on the fire. Then I'll get our cooking grate on and I'll be leaving our heat deflector out for this cook, and then we'll get our wings on. Then we'll shut our lid and let those cook away. Now there's lots of different ways to cook chicken wings, so if you've got another favorite method, feel free to use that. But all I'm going to do with these ones is flip and rotate them every 10 to 15 minutes until they are crispy, cooked through, and at least 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. So while our chicken wings are cooking away, we're going to make our gochujang sauce. So for our sauce, we're going to combine a 1/4 cup of Korean red pepper paste or gochujang, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then you want to give that a really good mix, and once that's done, you can set it aside, and we'll use that sauce on our wings a little bit later in the cook. And now our wings have been on for around 10 minutes. I'm going to give them a flip, and if any of our wings are developing more color than the others, then I'll give them a rotate as well. Alright, so we've flipped and rotated our wings a few times. These are almost done, so let's coat them in this sauce. I'm simply just going to brush some sauce on top, flip our wings, and then I'll brush them again. Then we'll shut our lid, give our wings another 10 minutes, and then we'll repeat that process once more. Then these wings will be done. And once they're done, we're going to hit them with some sesame seeds and spring onion. Then it's time for a taste. That's good. Full of flavor, sticky, juicy, tender. They are some really good wings. Well, there you have it. There's how to make quick and easy gochujang chicken wings. I'll put the recipe and everything you need to know down in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. But for now, that's the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.